Hi friends, thanks so much for watching. Today's video is an after dark clean with me. I don't know about you, but since we've all been under this quarantine, it seems that I get my best cleaning done in the evening time when the kids are in bed and there's no distractions or nobody messing up everything that I have just cleaned. But what I'm showing you in this video is my typical nighttime cleaning routine. I'm just straightening out my family room and kitchen. These are the main areas we hang out in, and they get the most messy, of course. So I'm just going to be straightening them up, wiping down the counters and vacuuming. That way everything's nice and clean for when we wake up, and it just really sets the day off on the right foot to wake up to a clean home. I'm starting in my family room, and as you can see, it's not terribly messy. We are really good about picking up after ourselves throughout the day, but I am just folding all of the throw blankets and I store them underneath our ottoman. That way we have easy access to them when we need them. And I've said it many times before, but I like to have the couch covered in blankets whenever we are lounging on the couch. That way it keeps the couch clean of any dirt and odors, especially since we have two dogs that love hanging out with us. I always make sure that they are laying on the blanket and not directly on the couch. And I will wash the blankets at least once a week to keep them nice and clean. My dogs absolutely love toys, especially squeaky toys, and I am constantly picking up after them. They even have their own toy box, but as much of a pain it is to pick up these toys, I can't help but think it's pretty cute.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know.
Moving on to my kitchen, and I am just putting everything away and clearing off the countertops, getting them ready to be wiped down. I've already cleaned up our dinner mess. I am such a clean freak when it comes to cooking. I cannot stand to have food sitting on a pot or pan or plate that we've used. So as soon as I've used the pan, I will immediately rinse it. So everything I use for cooking and the plates we use have been rinsed, and they're sitting in the sink waiting for me to put them in the dishwasher for washing. But if you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you join this wonderful community here. I post anything from cleaning videos to shop with me's to fashion hauls and even occasional day in the life vlogs, which I want to say thank you to everyone who showed their love and support to my last video where I did a day in the life. I honestly have so much fun doing those kinds of videos, but I don't do them too often here on my channel, so I wasn't sure how that would be received by you guys, and you guys really seem to enjoy that video. I will link it up above for anyone who missed it, but I just wanted to let you guys know I really appreciated your support.
I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Now that I have unloaded all of the clean dishes, I'm going to fill the dishwasher with all of the dirty dishes from dinner tonight. And this is something I do every night, or at least attempt to do every night. There are some nights that, of course, life gets busy and I'm not able to get to it. But those days that I don't do it, I can't stand that feeling of waking up in the morning to a sink full of dishes to conquer. So I definitely make a point to have this part of my routine to get these dishes in the dishwasher.
Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
So during this quarantine, I've definitely been cooking more often. I'm sure many of you can relate to this. Have any of you been trying out new recipes? I know that I have. In fact, tonight I actually put together this casserole that was kind of just a little weird. But I knew I had hamburger, I had pancake mix, and I thought, well, what can I do with these two ingredients? So I ended up making a sloppy joe casserole, which probably just does not sound very tasty, but I prepped the meat the way I normally would to make sloppy joes, and then I put it in a casserole, layered cheese on top of it, and then I covered the cheese with a layer of pancake batter, and I put it in the oven for 350 for 30 minutes, and I have to say it was kind of a hit in our family. It was definitely a different kind of recipe, but everyone seemed to like it. If any of you have been trying out new recipes or taken on a new hobby, let me know in the comments below.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
And one of the goals I have during this quarantine is to organize my kitchen drawers, especially the drawers that store all of my cooking utensils. Those are such a disaster right now. So I want to get some of those organizing drawer inserts, and I'll probably order those online from maybe the Container Store or Amazon, something like that. But let me know what goals you guys have. Are there any home projects you guys are tackling during this quarantine? Leave those in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys.
Knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free. Cause I was made to be someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine.
Finally, I make it a point to fold any baskets of clothes that need folding before going to bed. Otherwise, it's just hanging over my head, waiting for me the next day, and that's never a good feeling. But my laundry room is a little cluttered at the moment. This is another project I plan to take on. I need to probably store away the kids' coats because I think I'm hoping that we're out of the frigid temps here in Michigan since we're now in spring. So I'm gonna put away their winter coats eventually here and just declutter this laundry room. My husband has his grill cover sitting here on the dryer for some reason, so I need to ask him about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I wanna thank you so much for stopping by, and I pray for your continued health and wellness, and stay safe out there. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. Take care.
What can I do? You're so loving and gentle to the core. What can I do when you fill me with happiness and much more? What can I do? You're so stunning, I just can't look away. What can I do? I should know by now, you make my day. Never more will dreams expand.